In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all a set of glass watering, like self-watering, like globes. These things are awesome. These are for somebody if you're gonna, go on a vacation or be gone for a while and you need to water your plants, but you're not gonna be around. Get one of these things because check this out. By the way, they are glass and they look absolutely amazing. You see this right here? You would fill that up with water, plug that down into the pot, and then if you do it at a 60-degree angle, it's going to drop a lot quicker. If you do it like at 90 degrees, it's going to have a slow drip. And according to them, it said it'll last up to 7 days of watering. So you could just fill this little thing up and it's going to water all the way down to the roots of the plant and have it watered. So this is a 4-pack, by the way, and they look really good. They blend in with the plant. And then they're going to give you these little stoppers, and these stoppers go right here in the top. That's where those little stoppers. And what they're saying you need to do is wrap like a cloth around the bottom here so you don't shove mud up in them while you stick them down in there. So I'm just going to get a little paper towel and do that. So let's go ahead and set these things up in a pots I have over here, some plants, and let's see what they look like. Let's see how they work. So let's do that now. All right, here, I'm here at one of the potted plants. I went ahead and put the paper towel on the tip there. I've got the stopper in the top, and all I'm gonna do is go like this. And I want this at 90 degrees. I'm gonna pull the stopper out, and I'm gonna put water in there. All right, I have some bottled water here. I'm just gonna drop it right down in there. You wanna fill this up. Just like that. Wow, it's not draining out, look at that. Then once you get it filled up, you're gonna put the stopper on it like that right there. And then this should water over several days right here. So, let me show you one without it in the pot, and let's see how it works. All right, I filled one up, put the cap on, and I have the paper towel there, and you could see how this thing is holding water. That is gonna have a slow drip to it. I'm gonna put one here in the peppers and just slide it down in there, but how awesome is that? And if you turn it at an angle, supposedly it drips a little faster, but I'm not seeing it drip. But I think what happens is over time, the water, see how the air bubbles coming up through there? And that air bubble allows a slow drip. So let's push this down in there like that. And that one's ready. So there we go. We have 2 set up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the self-watering globe. See you guys in the next video.